The deployment of the Aquaponic hybrid vertical Helophyte filter system at Sunny Green Poultry Farm. A project of the Department of Science and Technology Region 11 under the Wastewater Treatment System Upgrading Program. The implementations under this project include a pre-treatment facility including a 60 cubic meter biodigester, a 60 cubic meter composting pond, and a 120 cubic meter pre-treatment basin. The secondary wastewater treatment consists out of a 90 square meter vertical Helophyte filter system and a 45 square meter horizontal flow constructed wetland. An aquaponic system is included, which includes two 40 cubic meter fish ponds and one 200 square meter drain field for crop farming. Lastly, there will be a 200 cubic meter rainforest harvesting system with a water purification station. Here you can see how the implementations will be lined up. However, the actual positions may alter according to the elevations and the shape of the allocated area of implementation. The system is designed and dimensioned for the treatment of a one-time discharge of 250 cubic meter poultry wastewater every 40 days. The wastewater from the poultry houses will be separately discharged via a 6-inch polyethylene pipe towards the main wastewater canal. This is how the wastewaters from the poultry houses flow towards the main wastewater canal. This is how they flow to a centralized point, and eventually towards the pre-treatment. The 60 cubic meter biodigester is the first stage of the pre-treatment, which is expected to release at least 1,000 liters of biogas per day. All the sediments from washing the poultry houses will anaerobically decompose inside this chamber before being discharged to the composting pond via a 2 horsepower submersible slurry pump. Every 40 to 45 days, the sludge from the biodigester will be pumped to the 60 cubic meter composting pond. It's highly recommended to cut the grasses during the same period and discharge the vegetation into this pond to increase its effectiveness and reduce odor pollution. The 120 cubic meter storage tank is equipped with 4 pieces of 5 cubic meter underflow basins and one 100 cubic meter storage tank, where the wastewater will be pumped up to the vertical Helophyte filter system. The 90 square meter vertical Helophyte filter system is a low-cost and nature-based secondary wastewater treatment system for the removal of biochemical oxygen demand, total suspended solids, coliform, surfactants, phosphates, nitrates, and ammonia. The 45 square meter horizontal flow constructed wetland is a low-cost and nature-based tertiary wastewater treatment system for the further removal of phosphates, nitrates, and ammonia. The two 40 cubic meter fish ponds receive partial of the effluent from the horizontal flow constructed wetland, which can be controlled with valves. Here, freshwater fish can be cultivated for consumption. The remaining water will be discharged upon the nearest surface water body. The nutrient-rich water from the fish ponds will be pumped up by a water pump towards a drain field, which will be used to cultivate crops for consumption. The rainwater, which falls on the rooftops of the poultry houses, will be captured and distributed via conventional stormwater system. The rainwater will flow towards a centralized canal. Via the conventional storm drain canals, the rainwater will flow towards the rainwater storage pond. Here, 200 cubic meter of rainwater can be harvested. To make sure the harvested rainwater is of excellent quality before being reused, a water purification system will be installed, including activated carbon filter, multimedia filter, resin filter, and a chlorinator. From this station, the treated water can be pumped directly towards the poultry houses or water tower. The enhanced aquaponic hybrid VHFS, making Sunny Green Poultry Farm a greener and climate-resilient farm.
Wastewater treatment system upgrading program. Low-cost, nature-based wastewater treatment technologies.